Module 7, Good Maintenance Practices. Maintenance Management, Records Keeping. Maintaining records for equipment maintenance, repairs, breakdowns, and inspection, and its corrections, follow-ups actions, and verifications tasks. PMs or repairs records. PMs and repairs inspection records must be maintained. Record the outcome of the inspection and verification tasks. This record should include the time and date that the maintenance and repairs were done, the equipment, machine, line, or area maintained or repairs, post-maintenance sanitation and equipment release records, preventive maintenance, repairs, and calibration records, equipment specifications, preventive and corrective maintenance records, repairs and breakdown records, calibration records, equipment condition acceptance and rejection criteria, maintenance checklist, preventive maintenance, repairs, and calibration records, work orders, trend reports or graphs, post-maintenance release sign-off, secured records, easily retrievable when required, sign-off and verification records, records review and verification.